Hello, my name is Alma Avalos, and today is December 13th, 2019. This is assignment 1.1, journal number 5 for EDOL 721. After watching the video by Simon Sinek on how great leaders inspire action, it got me to thinking about emotional intelligence and the book Leading from the Heart from Mark Crowley. Simon's message in the video indicates that all great leaders that inspire think and communicate from the inside out. He talks about the golden circle. He points out that everyone knows what they do. Some know how they do it, but very few know why they do it. Leaders that inspire focus on the why. Why is it important to them? Why they believe in it. As he indicates, people don't buy what you do, but why you do it. Therefore, in order to inspire or have someone follow you, you have to know why. His message reminds me of emotional intelligence. Akers and Porters point out that emotional intelligence has 5 categories. It has self-awareness, self-regulation, motivation, empathy, and social skills. To be a good leader, you have to have good emotional intelligence skills. Simon's message also reminded me of Mr. Crowley's book, Leading from the Heart. It reminded me because you have to connect with people to inspire them to follow you. You have to understand and know what drives you and how your emotions drive your actions. Overall, what I gather from this is that loving what you do and loving your people will help you inspire individuals to follow you. For example, I love learning about our employees' additional families. Their new babies. I love helping them reach their career objective. I love listening to their stories and getting their input on what we can do better. Why do I get up every morning and go to work? Because I believe in them. And I'll do whatever it takes to help them get to their career objective, so they can be able to provide and go home safely to their families. I hope that they see that I believe in them. I know they can do it. I know they can reach that next level. And I know that they have the drive to succeed in everything that they do. Again, why? Because I believe in them. Thank you. Have a good day.